losing ground against the US dollar but is rising against the euro in an attempt to win back early losses. Cryptocurrencies plunged, with Bitcoin losing nearly 5%. Global oil benchmarks are trading mixed following a 2% drop on Wednesday. In the morning trade, Brent oil futures for November edged lower by 0.2% and settled at $44.34 per barrel. WTI crude futures for October lost 0.02% to trade at $41.05 per barrel. In the early session on Thursday, oil quotes were slightly higher. Yesterday, however, they plunged by 2.6%. A mixed trade in the energy market came after the industry data on oil stockpiles in the US was released on Wednesday. According to the report, US crude inventories dropped by 9.4 million barrels, which is much bigger than predicted 1.9 million barrels. For the week, oil output in the US decreased by 1.1 million barrels per day and ended up at 9.7 million barrels. The reason for this could be the impact of Hurricane Laura that hit the US last week. Meanwhile, the ruble is depreciating against the US dollar, but at the same time it is rising against the euro. After a sharp drop yesterday caused by the threat of sanctions, the Russian currency is trying to regain ground. In the morning session, the ruble lost 20 kopecks against the dollar to trade at 75.61. Against the euro, it went up by 20 kopecks to the level of 89.15. According to the data from Moscow Exchange, the dollar-ruble pair advanced by 1.83 to the level of 75.41. The euro-ruble pair was up by 1.69 to trade at 89.35. On Thursday, the number one cryptocurrency Bitcoin is losing more than 4%. According to CoinMarketCap, in the early session, Bitcoin dropped by 4.48% and reached the level of $11,333. On the Binance exchange, Bitcoin was down by 4.74% to hit the mark of $11,310. In the crypto market, Bitcoin accounts for about 56.2% of trading volume. Bitcoin has returned to the lower boundary of the August trading channel, having settled at $11,400. It has been the fourth time Bitcoin failed to break through $12,000, independent expert Mansour Husseinov told RIA Novosti. In the course of the day, the ruble is expected to stay under pressure following the dynamics of the oil prices. As for Bitcoin, it is currently holding at the support level, and then it may well rebound and start the uptrend. If there are no significant changes by the end of the week, then the price is sure to drop further. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.